Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Karn, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you all this tasty, super simple yet glamorous Saraswati Puja look. I know Saraswati Puja is just around the corner and I want something for all the beautiful girls who want to wear saree and go on whole festivity and super desi glam. So my girls, this tutorial is just for you. So now let's begin. First, I will be starting off with this gulabri rose water and spritzing all over my face. This makeup tutorial is very simple, very simple, and I'm just patting it so that it get absorbed. Now I am applying moisturizer. This is the Pond's moisturizer. This is super great if you have oily, dry combination skin. It's perfect for all skin type. And please take a moment and subscribe my channel. It will mean an absolute world for me. So now let's continue. So here I'm doing a little trick. I'm taking more moisturizer and just rubbing it and just patting it. I'm not rubbing it on my skin. I'm not penetrating or help it to go inside. I'm just patting it all over my face for that extra hydration, and it will look amazing and flawless under your foundation, and it will give you the seamless natural glow. Can you see my skin? It look like I have applied a lots of illuminating primer. So yeah, now for the foundation, no, it's baby oil. Yeah, at that day my skin was kind of dehydrated, so I'm applying it all over my face again in patting motion so that I have that extra glow. And can you see my skin looks so supple? So now here I'm using NY Babe pore minimizing primer so that it fill up all my pores and I have a clean canvas to work on. Please guys, take a moment and also follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is Pernican, and yeah, I'm just doing this promotion so that you can see every bit of my makeup tutorial. So now for the foundation, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and it will look beautiful if you're getting photograph selfie. It will not give you any kind of white flash photography. It's just a perfect if you're getting photograph. So I'm not applying it all over my face, just on the center of my face, and little by little I'm going out. So yeah, this is how I like to apply my foundation, and I'm using Wet Beauty blender to blend all my foundation. Now for the concealer, I'm using Swiss Beauty concealer, and I'm only applying it on my eyes because that day my eyes was not that in good condition. So yeah, I was just applying it on my eyes, and it just gave me that brightening awake kind of effect. This tutorial is very simple guys, trust me, you can do it like in a very quick moment. And now for setting my concealer only, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Compact. I'm just setting my concealer. So here is the trick. If you don't want that flash photography, always use some kind of compact powder that have a skin color so that it will save you from the flash photography or even getting that white cast on your photography. So yeah, now here I'm just doing my brows, just the regular stuff. For that I'm using Calabar Chastening Brow Pencil and going little by little. So in my, I think, learning of all the makeup hacks, I have learned that little by little go a very long way. So I'm using that Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette and taking that peachy color and just putting it on my crease. I'm building it and again going little by little, and I'm just like going only on my crease and just winging it out at the end so that my eyes look more bright and open. So I'm taking that burnt orange and now again that crease color, and I have used that burnt orange on my lid and the crease again to define it. Now for the blush, I'm using Lakme blush, and it match my eye makeup so beautifully, so beautifully. And you gotta know guys, I love blush. I applied it everywhere, and in this tutorial I'm not using a highlighter, not foundation, a highlighter, because this blush was already having a very good sheen. So for the lips, I'm using NYX lip cream in the shade Exotic. It's a perfect nude, but I want some color on my lips. So again, I put a little bit of Maybelline Superstay matte ink in the shade Pioneer, and this is the finished look. I have a pair chumka, and yeah, you can also go it without lashes. Like I have put lashes because I love it. You can pair this up without any lashes, just put some bindi and there you go. This is the perfect ethnic yet glamorous makeup look you can pull off in this Saraswati Puja. I hope you guys will have a lot of fun watching this. Follow me on my Instagram, Aparnakan, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.